Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? Beyond what our eyes can see lies a hidden universe of textures, patterns, and incredible detail. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of microscopy and exploring what happens when everyday objects are examined under a microscope for the very first time. First up, let's take a look at a strand of human hair. To the naked eye, it appears smooth, right? But under the microscope, the reality is quite different. We see overlapping scales like shingles on a roof. These scales, called cuticle cells, protect the inner structure of the hair. The specific arrangement and condition of these scales can tell us a lot about the hair's health and how it's been treated. Next, let's examine a common household item, a cotton swab. What appears to be a fluffy uniform mass actually becomes a complex network of fibers. Under the microscope, we can see the individual cotton fibers twisting and overlapping. These fibers have a natural texture with tiny ridges and grooves. This intricate structure contributes to the cotton swab's absorbent properties, making it perfect for various cleaning and applying tasks. Now let's move on to something we all use, a sheet of paper. Up close, paper isn't as smooth as it seems. Instead, we see a tangled web of cellulose fibers. These fibers, derived from wood pulp, are what give paper its structure. The way these fibers are arranged, along with the presence of other materials, like fillers and coatings, determines the paper's texture, strength, and opacity. Finally, let's explore a grain of salt. To our eyes, salt crystals often appear as simple cubes. However, under the microscope, the story unfolds. We see the crystal's perfectly ordered three-dimensional structure. The arrangement of sodium and chloride ions creates a repeating pattern. The microscope reveals the beauty in the tiny structures of everyday things. It transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary, offering a new perspective on the world around us. So the next time you're using a cotton swab, looking at your hair, or handling a sheet of paper, remember that there's a whole world of detail waiting to be discovered just beyond our vision.